Everyone, I'm Ryan Martinez, and now itutuloy ko lang yung diniscuss ni Mr. Orbitong. So, digital spreadsheet made bookkeeping highly efficient and easier to achieve, making it possible to perform a variety of new computations simply by filling in interactive boxes. The World Wide Web has enabled anyone to remotely browse a network of data. So, the WW or World Wide Web is commonly referred to as WWW3, or the web is a system of interconnected public web pages accessible through the internet. Ever since, new ways of reading documents and books online have been introduced by e-readers and digital authoring tools supporting associated activities such as annotations, highlighting, linking, commenting, copying, and tracking, and many other types of activities, such as searching for news, weather, sports, and financial information, as well as banking, shopping, and learning online, among other tasks, have also been made easier by the web. Importantly, all of these conceptual models were based on familiar activities. The best conceptual models are often those that appear obvious and simple. The operations they support are intuitive to use. Example, the concept of online stores like Shopee or Lazada. Actually, most interface apps are based on well-established conceptual models. For example, when the number of internet shopping websites are based at the shopping mall, a conceptual model based on the core aspects of the customer experience, which included the placement in a shopping cart or basket of items that a customer wants to buy, and proceeding to check out when they are ready to create the acquisition. Metaphor concept model. Metaphors is a central component of conceptual model. They provide a framework which is comparable to aspects of a familiar entity or entities in some way, but they have their own behaviors and properties as well. More precisely, as part of the user interface, such as the desktop metaphor. An interface metaphor is one that is instantiated in some way. The web browser initially established in the early 1990s to pertain to a software package that index and retrieve files digitally from the web using different algorithms to match user selected terms is another well-known one. The metaphor welcomes comparisons between a mechanical engine that has several working components and the daily activity of trying to find something in different places. In addition to those belonging to an engine which searches, the functions supported by a search engine also include other features, such as listing and prioritizing the search queries. These actions are also done in somewhat diverse situations, from how a mechanical machine works or how a human being can browse for paperbacks on a given subject in a library. Consequently, the resemblance that are indicated by the use of term search engine are at a general level. They are intended to conjure up the spirit of the information finding process, allowing the user to link this to fewer familiar aspects of the presented functionality. Thank you for listening. Next supporter na po.